I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Got some stuff going on this morning. I am going to do some more jerky, and so I've got this. It's my, I don't know, I made up a sauce. I'm not making a video about it. It's just got some teriyaki and some liquid aminos and some barbecue sauce and some salt and some stuff that you buy if you want to make jerky. So anyway, so what I did though is I heated it up. So then that way the, all the stuff can kind of like blend in together, like the salt and stuff. So anyway, I just heated it up. So yeah, that's what that is. I'm going to let that sit for, I don't know, about 20 minutes. And then I'll put it in my Duma flipper. I'm making us a pancake to eat. I've got chicken here on the crock pot. I've got that on high. I'm going to do it for high for an hour and then low for the rest of the time. Got my dehydrator out. I got to make salads and creamies today. And lunchtime, I want to try this. I want to try this plantain. It might be a hot mess, but we'll see how it works. So anyway, so I'll meet you over here whenever we eat this. Just a second. Okay. It's only 9 o'clock and I'm already tuckered. So I'll repeat the things that I said. Oh, so let me just show you here. Got an apple and some fruit, and then this protein pancake. When I go to Walmart, in case you're new to my channel, when I go to Walmart, I pick up one apple. So Terry can have an apple. I love a cosmic apple. For a little cherry tomato. And this, I didn't make it very well, but this is, this is what I did. A full serving, so half of a serving of the maple waffle, keto chow. The reason I'm saying this was a mistake is because it's more calories than usual. Because usually I do a half serving, but anyway, so I did it. So this is a full serving of protein powder. So half serving of pecan maple, half serving of the waffle maple waffle, half of a serving of pecan sticky bun, 2 eggs, and then I mixed that up, and it was not thin enough, so I added enough egg whites until it was about the right texture. So no measurements. But this would definitely be something a person could make up and take with them. Like if you're going on a conference, I made up a bunch and I got a video about it somewhere. I have a playlist called Keto Chow. And so it's all the things that I've made with Keto Chow. And a playlist called Creamies because it's all my ice cream type stuff. Anyway. Chicken in a crock pot. When the 20-minute timer goes off, I'll work on, I got something stuck behind my tooth. I'll work on my dehydrating some meat. And then went to Walmart. Gotta do creamies and, I got a wee-wee. Salads. So today I'm going to remember to do 2 of the salads in the big taco bowl container. So I better let you people go and go to the bathroom. I'll see you later. Okay, I told you guys that there was a guy who I saw on TikTok who made plantones, is what he called them. Well, and he did it's plantains. So that's what I did. Hang on, let me let you see my plate. We got plantains. And then I took since I had that going, I had some chicken, chicken broth things. And then while I had that going, I went ahead and pan fried some arugula. So now we're going to give it all a try. Okay. So I've already tasted the plantains because I made a video. I don't know when it'll be out. So when the person that I watched mix plantains, he uses adobo seasoning. I don't have any adobo anymore. I have it mixed in with a bunch of stuff, but this is it. So I made two, all of them savory except two. So let's try this one. Not low carb, y'all. Not low carb. So don't be running out to buy plantain. Because I asked my Alexa, and she said plantains are sweeter than a banana. So now this one is a sweet one. I put cinnamon and allulose on it. That's good. And this one, I use pumpkin pie spice. Very, very high fat, high calorie meal. So tomorrow when my weight's up, we won't be surprised. All right, pumpkin pie spice. So we're having that. Oh. All right. And like I said, I pan fried these in the oil that was left. Adele's brand chicken and apple sausage. And they were cubes. I had some ketchup because I wanted ketchup on them. You know, I always lick the outer edge. I should take something and run along it. We know that. But the reason why I do is I don't want the ketchup to be running down and then get on my table. Y'all know I love me some Vega. It's like fried French fries with a little twang to them. So that's my lunch. It's 12:40. I'll see you later. Bye. Hey there. How you doing? It's been a good day. So let's just recap on my day. So this morning I recorded me making my pancake, but there's sirens. The dogs are out there. But the problem was I recorded it, which is fine, but I had something recorded before that and I was trying to delete all that stuff and I accidentally deleted me making the pancake. Today it was 2 eggs, a full serving of protein powder. I did half maple and half maple waffle and half pecan sticky bun. So I made that for that. Went to Walmart. I have a video. I made the plantain. Not anything I would need to do or something. It's not like something I'm like, oh boy, I need that in my life or anything, but it was fun, Sometimes it's fun to just try something new. So it's like, okay, if somebody says, do you want a plantain? I can be like, sure, I'll try it, And so I made a video for that. And then my chicken's done cooking. Here's the deal. I am done buying that frozen chicken. It just shrinks to nothing. What I'm thinking about is, it's like, I know I go Saturday mornings. Oh, look at that palm head. It just goes back more and more and more. Anyway, let's just pretend it doesn't. But I think I might instead buy some rotisserie chickens. Because if I buy, I could get 4 meals off of a rotisserie chicken, I'm pretty sure. So I'm considering, but they're not there at 6 o'clock in the morning when I go on Saturday. But I could swing by after work or something, or after church on Sunday. So just something I'm kind of tossing around. Because I do enjoy having chicken at supper, But I just need, it doesn't provide as much chicken for the price that I'm paying. And we know they puff up that stuff with water. So, what else? So chicken's done. My dehydrator's still going. It's got, I think, a couple hours left. Callie hates it. She hates that sound of it. It's not, all it is a whooshing sound because it's a fan, but she don't like it. So she's been outside most of the day. Big boy doesn't like when I push the buttons. He doesn't like that high-pitched beep. But anyway, so I got that still going. I haven't done a lick for cleaning, but I've been busy, y'all. So tonight I've got a salad. And the reason why it's in here is because I have a piece of chicken in there. So it's got my regular salad. You know, I always want to call that chicken salad, but it's not. It's salad with chicken. So that way we can clarify. So it's a salad, my cabbage salad with chicken in it. And my dressing, I also have a smidge of honey Dijon dressing in this because I had, you know, I use my Polynesian so much, but I wanted a little bit of honey Dijon with the chicken. This was the last of my Ice brand water, sparkling water, whatever it's called. So I'm done with that. Then I'm on Clear American. This is the bee's knees. Banana, chocolate peanut butter, and peanut butter. You know. Yeah. I'd almost be willing to smack Baxter. I won't. But I'd almost be willing to. All right. I love you people. And I'm going to eat. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.